GooGoo! He's not a thief. We are going to bring him to life with stop motion. Do you want to make your own little clay friend? A little red ball for the body. Now we'll make a black round clay for the head. Making the eyes. We hollow out the head with a tool and make the eyes with 2 white clay pieces. We hollow it out again with a tool and now we make the pupils with black clay. Now we'll make ladybug spots with the black circles. But how can clay move? Little movement, a picture. Little movement, a picture. Wait! Don't let GooGoo miss you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and send this adventure to your friends. Bye everyone! See you next time!